Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make 3 amazing non-alcoholic drinks for the festive season. The first drink is called Shirley Ginger. You can find the full measurements in the description box. So I have here some ginger ale, or you can use ginger beer. I'm going to pour 1 cup into a bowl. Then I have here some soda water, Teem soda. I'm going to use half a cup. Then I'm going to use the juice of half of a lime. I'm going to squeeze that in. Last but not least, I'm going to add some grenadine syrup, 1/8 cup of grenadine syrup. I'm going to mix the mixture together so everything is well combined. In a glass, I'm going to add some ice. I'm going to first add a little bit more grenadine syrup because it has a very nice red color. Then I'm going to pour in the mixture. Finally, I'm going to garnish with a maraschino cherry. And voila, we have a nice, lovely Shirley Ginger. The second drink is virgin cucumber gimlet. In a small dish, I have chopped cucumber. I'm going to mash it with a fork. To the mashed cucumber, I'm going to add the juice of half a lime. Then I'm going to mix that together. Then to my glass, I'm going to add the cucumber mixture. And then I'm going to add some ice. After that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of simple syrup. And then I'm going to pour in some soda water. And voila guys, this is so easy. A lovely virgin cucumber gimlet. It was so refreshing. The third drink is Energizing Malt. This is so simple. To my glass, I'm going to add some ice. All you need is a Malta Guiness drink and evaporated milk. First, I'm going to pour in the malt drink to almost 3/4 of the glass. Afterward, I'm going to add my evaporated milk. And voila guys, an energizing malt drink. So easy and so good. So there you have it guys, 3 literally pretty easy non-alcoholic drinks you can make for this festive season. So thanks for watching guys. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Do write a comment which is your favorite of the drinks. I pretty much like every one of them. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao!